was your first trade. It went up, pulled back, get rid of some. Went up, pulled back, get rid of some. Went up, showed you it was changing. You saw it rolling down the hill. You could get out anytime you want. That was your first trade. You're rich. Congratulations. Good job. You just made more money than you've ever made before. Trade number 2, right here, which is somewhere in here. Trade number 2 goes in, pulls back, get rid of some. Goes in, pulls back, get rid of some. Goes in, pulls back, get rid of some. 10%. Watching it going the opposite direction. Big flag. I wouldn't blame you if you got out, but here's the biggest thing on this one you need to pay attention to. This is the biggest part of what I teach all day, every single day. Did this break VWAP and hold at any point ever throughout the entire day? Ever?
No, and that's what I was going to ask,
No.
Coach. If it doesn't break VWAP, it seems like you could stay in.
You're supposed to stay in it, right? Not seems like. What do I train you all on?
Yeah, I should have said absolutely stay in.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely. Yep. So again, trade number 1 and trade number 2, which will take you through the rest of the day. Congratulations. That's it. You had 1, 2 trades on all the Power 7. Amazon, Nvidia, SPY, probably Netflix, Google, if we pulled them up. You would have bought here. Your stop would be at or above what you paid. There's no way in hell you would have ever got stopped out. You would have stomached through all of this, waiting for, obviously the move where it's showing the reversals. You would have got into the second trade. Again, you would have left it alone. You would have not touched it again, and then you would have been a hero. So I need some of you guys, listen, and I know it sucks because everybody wants to make money, right? You just want to make money, make money, make money, make money. Stop. The P&L's got to go away for a bit. While you're training, I need you guys to get through these trades exactly like I say, so that you guys will actually make money later. So instead of making $15 today, let's go ahead and make $150,000 later because you can make the trade the way you're supposed to. Does that make sense?
that's the long-term play, Coach.
Absolutely.
Very
Yeah.
much so.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's the way you were training yesterday.
Yes, we have to stop with the crap about trying to make the quick $30,000, $100,000 because guys, at the end of the day, if you do what I'm saying, these payouts, right, are double, triple, 10x your account stuff in a day with minimal risk. Okay. Most of the time you have no risk, which is insane. If you bought this, right, and you let it pop up and you leave it alone, and you set your stop at or above. I always recommend just a little bit above. That way, if it pulls really hard, it will at least be a break even. This is a break even trade, literally break even. even if you stomached it and it went all the way up and all the way down, I would have been so much more happier with your trade. I mean, obviously, once it breaks through VWAP and holds, you'd have got out, but still, you would have made money here to here, right? And you would have made the trade. Instead of, I want out, 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 I want out. Oh, I made $6. Oh, I made $3. I made $2. I made, oh, stop that. Because what'll happen is you keep getting yourselves into that mindset. And then when you get this real runner, right? This is the game-changing run on, oh my gosh, on SPY, comes up, comes up, comes up, comes up, comes up, comes up, and it drops. And every time you guys are wanting to run for the hills every single time, when honestly, if you would have bought here, hell, you could have left it alone till close and you would have made more money than you've ever made before if you guys would stop trying to get $10. Does that make sense? So if this is your trade, get rid of, get rid of, get rid of. You still have 10%, right? This is 50%, 20%. Right? We do it on the pullbacks, 20%. You still have 10% because it would get you to like be able to hold this thing. This is why I tell you guys, hold the damn trade. Stop touching it. Quit dinking with your stop losses. Leave it alone. Who cares if you would have made $50 today? Because if you do this right, 2 days from now, you're going to get a $600 runner.